In this video, we will see how we can able to set up OpenSCD to be used in offline. In order to set up OpenSCD to be used in offline, we need an internet access on our PC to download the required resource files on our PC. So first, we need to go to the GitHub area to access the OpenSCD resource files, and we can able to see the OpenSCD is open source tool where we can able to edit the SCL files, and we can able to add the missing elements within the SCL file. There are so many different possibilities are doable from the OpenSCD tool. We can able to go to the wiki section in order to use OpenSCD in offline. So there is a section called installation. So we can able to refer how we can able to set up online in another video in the OpenSCD playlist. So now we're going to set up in offline. So in that case, we need to download the OpenSCD resource file, the latest version. So we can able to select the version here on the top. So we can able to reach the latest released build. 0.18.0 is a recent release build. You can able to select the open -scd.zip file, which is a resource file that is required to be available on the PC locally. So the zip file has been downloaded almost. Next, we can able to meantime go back to the previous section. So we also need to set up the web server for the Chrome web browser. For these two steps, we need an internet access on our PC. So here we can able to see an option to launch the application. So I can able to just launch the application here by selecting it. So this is the application, and we can able to see there is no folder selected at the moment, and we can also able to reach the folder that we can able to see in offline. So here I could able to see the zip file. I can able to extract in the download folder or another folder that you wanted to maintain on your PC to be used in offline. So for temporary use, I will keep the folder extracted in the download section. So I can able to just minimize the file explorer and then go to the web server application. I can able to choose the folder. So here I can able to see the default directory, the downloads, and there is OpenSCD extracted folder information. There I can able to select the folder. So I'm done with the folder selection, and I can also able to see by default you could able to see the localhost IP address, and there are some more IP address because this information comes from the adapter locally that cached from the PC. And you can also able to enable automatically. By default these informations are enabled. In case if you would like to disable during the auto start on your Windows PC, you can able to uncheck, and you can also say you would like to access the web server locally when you're in offline, and you can also enable when you're in online, you can also able to access. So these are the options which we need to enable. By default this will be enable the web server, and later on you can able to just can go back to the previous section. So this is you can able to select the code address that you can able to copy, and there you can able to go here in the down. I will disable the Wi-Fi on my PC, so I don't have any more internet connection on my PC, so I can able to just paste the link hyperlink in the web browser, and then you can able to just say enter. So the application will be opened in offline, and you can able to see an option to install the OpenSCD in offline. So you can able to just say install, and there you can able to see the OpenSCD will be launched in offline, where you can able to use easily. You can able to provide the hyperlink in the web browser, then you can able to say enter, and you can able to see the OpenSCD has been launched in the web browser. You can also able to launch in the application. So you can able to just say open this interface in the application, and there you go. We have opened in the OpenSCD in offline. So you can able to enable all the options from the extension. You can able to enable all the different sections that are available in the latest release, and you can able to get the maximum benefit. So you can able to import the SCL file. For example, let me import one of the CD file here. So you'll be able to visualize the SCL file content that you have imported, and you can able to edit the SCL file content depending on the selection where you wanted to edit. You can able to choose flexibly, and you can able to edit the different elements, subscriber content and the communication section, and then you can also able to select the different section depending on the requirement. So let me close the OpenSCD application. Then I don't want to save anything. You can also close the browser. And you can able to launch the OpenSCD from the start menu. There you can able to select the start menu, and you see the recently opened application. And you can able to open from the start menu, and you can able to, as usual, open the project and then edit the SCL file. You can able to even create the new SCD file by importing the different ID specific files like CID, IID, and ICD. You can able to design your substation configuration description file with the required information as per requirement. So that's all in this particular video, and you'll be able to understand how you can able to add the missing element in the CD file in another video, and how you can able to get the benefit from stations code in order to visualize the different elements, the substation section, also the different voltage level, bay levels, and different conducting equipments that belong to the bay level, and how you can able to map the different logical node to the right conducting equipments in another video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.